I'd never really thought about doing a voyage beforehand, but our school did a training day where we got to learn sort of the ins and outs of boating, and after that I felt very excited for the voyage itself.
It definitely built my confidence. For example, doing the tacking competition with Esteem Academy, we had to do a presentation which built my confidence much. It was a great experience working as a team and getting to know each other a bit more than we already did.
My highlight was when I was in complete control of steering the yacht when the skipper let me helm the boat.